Hello Ved, why are you busy nowadays?
I am not busy. But don't you think teachers are giving us so much homework?
No Ved, homework is very necessary for all the students.
I know. I also know that homework is very necessary for us. But don't you think much homework is a burden for us?
No, why are you taking so much pressure? Homework also helps us to do many things. It also improves our vocabulary skill and and also helps us to revise our classwork.
But if children do much homework in their home, they can't do other things and can't play games, etc.
No, if children should play other games and do spend their time in hobbies, so they should do first their homework and after they can easily play. If they utilize their time with very inspirely, so they can easily do homework and also spend their time in hobbies.
But nowadays teachers are giving us so much homework and children do their homework continuously and feel tired or exhausted.
Yeah, I little bit agree with your statement because homework is good, but if it's so much, so children cannot play easily and children cannot spend their time in hobbies. But if children utilize their time, so they can easily play and do their other work. Because homework also helps children to do practice. You know, now practice makes a man perfect.
I know that practice makes a man perfect, but why aren't you thinking that teachers are giving us so much homework, not a little bit?
Yeah, it's right, Ved. We should try to do homework in very little time. We should talk to our teacher for giving a little bit homework. For a amount of homework is not too much. It should be a little bit or 2 or 3 pages of one subject. Children should spend their 1 or 2 hours for one subject.
I'm agree with you. Oh, so let's talk about other topic. In which coaching institute are you going now?
Now there are so many coaching institute. Now I am in 11th and I didn't utilize my time because there are so much homework and so much time for doing other work. But my school time is not too good. I should utilize my time.
Okay, tell me where are you going coaching nowadays?
I am going to Pandey coaching classes and also one home coaching, and not I have not decided to go any other coaching.
Oh, nice. Pandey coaching classes. I heard that Pandey coaching classes is a worth appreciating and worth studying coaching classes in Panna city.
Yeah, it's so much famous coaching classes in Panna because the amount of the homework is not too much. They also gives a little bit homework which is necessary to students. They give us homework to do practice and other things.
I think that Deepan sir is a good teacher because he never give so much homework.
Yeah, but we can't judge teachers with the amount of the homework.
But Pandey sir is not give us so much homework. That's why students never feel a burden of his homework.
Yeah, Ved, you are right. I also love to study in Pandey coaching classes.
Okay, Pratiksha. Now I have to go to my home. So let's meet you.
Okay, Ved. Thank you for listening our conversation.